ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল ইন্ডিয়ান স্পটলাইট। আমি এই ভিডিওটাতে 25 সেটস অফ কোশ্চেন যেগুলো এমসিকিউ টাইপের সেগুলো এক্সপ্লানেশনের সাথে আলোচনা করব। আমার মনে হয় ভিডিওটা খুবই ভালো হবে, তার কারণ এখানে আমি এক্সপ্লানেশনগুলো এবং আমি যে কথাগুলো বারবার বলি যে এমসিকিউ টেস্টের জন্য এলিমিনেশন প্রসেস, সেই এলিমিনেশন প্রসেসটা কি সেটা এই ভিডিওটা দেখলেই সম্পূর্ণভাবে বোঝা যাবে। সুতরাং ভিডিওটা শেষ পর্যন্ত কিপ ওয়াচিং ইট। First question: the man went blank the forest. Here the correct answer will be option number C, that is into. Into suggests something that is coming from outside to inside. Question number 2: would you like to have rice? Here we can see that the word rice is an uncountable noun, so before uncountable noun we have to use some, so the absolute answer will be would you like to have some rice. Question number 3: where do you come blank? In that blank from will come, so option number B is the answer for question number 3. Question number 4: last year we managed blank a holiday that suited everyone, so here the correct answer is finding, because in this sentence already managed is the main verb, so finding is used as a present participle. Question number 5: blank UNESCO official came to inspect the site. That is also a very important question. Here we can go for both the answer a and the, because if you are using a then it's a general purpose. Whenever you are emphasizing the officials then you have to go for the. Question number 6: laughter is the glory of your face. Here we can see that how many abstract nouns are there in this sentence. Laughter is the abstract noun and glory is the abstract noun, so the correct answer will be option number B, that is 2. Question number 7: the tiger went in. Here in is an example of which of the following option? So it is an example of adverb. In is used here as an adverb of place. Question number 8: there blank some books on the table, so whether to use there is or there are, it depends on the object after the blank, so some books are there, so here option number B are, as it is in plural number. Question number 8: Rohan did the work for himself. Here himself is an example of possessive pronoun, so possessive pronoun is the answer. A complete video on the possessive pronoun is already in the end screen of that video. You can also watch to see the classification of pronoun. Question number 10: the boy blank an excellent selfie yesterday, so yesterday means it will go for present indefinite tense, so the option number C, captured, is the answer. Question number 10: he blank speak so many languages, so here can would be used here, because here can is used as a model to express ability. Question number 12. Mr. William. The options that are given: give in, carry on, deals in, and go through. All these are examples of phrasal verbs or group verbs. So here the correct answer will be deals in. Deals in means to do any kind of business with any of the things. Option number 13, that is select the correct spelling. Here the last option, that is ACCOMMODATION, accommodation, is the correct answer. That is the correct spelling. Question number 14. Which is used for pen, papers, envelopes, etc. Here it is called stationery. The option number B is the answer. Stationery means something where we can find pen, paper, envelopes and many other things. Question number 15. A person living permanently in a certain place is called domicile. The option number 3 is the answer for question number 15. That is one word substitution. Which word best expresses the meaning of barbarian? Here the word barbarian means uncivilized. Question number 17. He was purchasing a book. Here you can see that you have to change this sentence from active to passive. So whenever it is written that he was purchasing a book, that is an example of past continuous tense. So the answer will be a book was being purchased by him. Question number 18. I need a good explanation of all the cost blank in buying a new car. So here the options that are given: affected, concerned, enveloped and implied. So the correct answer is concerned. I need a good explanation of all the cost concerned in buying a new car. Question number 19. Rana said, my brother came home late yesterday. Here we have to go for option number B, that is Rana said that his brother had come home the day before. We are not going for the first one because here we can find that said is there. So told, only told is there whenever said to. So there is no said to, so we have to go for said only. So the option number B is the correct answer for this question number 19. Question number 20. I have known the mobile number of my friend, but I can't remember it now. The sentence is an example of compound sentence. How do you find that that is a compound sentence? That is but is used here. Here two sentences are linked with the linker but. So compound sentence is the correct answer for question number 20. Question number 21. I can't remember what happened last night. Most of the students are doing this kind of mistakes in finding the clause. Here apparently it would look like that is relative or adjective clause seeing the word what, but here what happened last night is an example of noun clause. Here the first question marked one is the object of I can't remember. So the correct answer for question number 21 is noun clause. Question number 22. May pick up the correct sentence. Let me read the questions. He goes to market on every Sunday. They have been playing the match since 3 years. My teacher take us to a chicken farm. The boy did a great job today. So here the correct option is the first one. He goes to market every Sunday. Question number 23. How many students in your class blank from Kolkata? So how many students in your class came from Kolkata? So A option is the correct one. Question number 24. Mumbai is the most populated city in India. Make it positive. Already the sentence is in superlative degree. So while making this kind of sentences, then you have to find out no other. So no other city in India is as populated as Mumbai. So for question number 24, C is the correct answer. Then question number 25. Choose the correct answer. My friend has got a new job. My friend has got a new work. My friend is got a new job. My friend did got a new job. Here we can see that both the first and second one is the correct sentence, where my friend has got a new job, it is also correct. My friend has got a new work, it is also correct. So for question number 25, A and B options are correct.